How to activate or enable Hibernate on power option on your Windows computer that runs on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This is simple. Just follow as I put you through all the process in this video. Take a look at this power option, click on the Windows button, then click on this power option. Here you have the Hibernate option here. If yours is not display Hibernate option and you want to hibernate your system, what you have to do is very simple. Now go to the search bar, type in Control Panel. Click on the control panel that comes up here. Now under control panel, go to System and Security. You tap or you click on it. Once you click on it, then locate and tap on power option here. Then under power option, you have change battery setting. You have change what the power button do. So click on this one. Once you click on this one, you have it here. So here you have the Hibernate here in a green button. So my own is here, but I've activated it. Now to activate this particular Hibernate button here, go to change settings that are currently unavailable. You click on this option again. Once you click on this option, it comes out like this. Make sure you check this Hibernate button. Make sure you check the Hibernate button. Once you check the Hibernate button, then tap on Save Change. Once you tap on Save Change, then close this place. Then go to the Windows button here, click on it, then click on this power option. You should be able to see this Hibernate button. That is the simple process, guys, on how to enable Hibernate option on your power button on your Windows that runs on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you get this tip, if you not subscribe for more updates like this.